Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 7X, and today I will show you how to hard reset your device through recovery mode and also get rid of a screen lock if you have one that, for instance, you just don't know. So I will quickly lock the device and you will be able to see that I do have a pattern set. There we go. So there's my pattern, and I'm going to progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. Or not pattern, but pin, my bad. But anyway, so I'm gonna start off by holding the power key, and from there I'm gonna choose power off. Once the device turns off, you simply want to hold power key and volume up at the same time, so both of the keys. When you see Honor, you can let go of the power key, keep holding volume up. And there we go. So this will take us to the recovery mode. And in here, you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset by simply tapping on it, and then tap on Factory Data or Wipe Data Factory Reset. This immediately begins the process. I believe it goes to like 20 or 30%, at which point it's immediately finished. Okay, it's going a little bit further, I guess. So it looks like it will just finish this entire sequence up. So just let it run. I believe once this is actually finished, we need to confirm something, though I guess we'll see in a second. Okay, so once it's finished, it takes you back to the recovery page right here. So what you want to do is tap on reboot system now, and the process will now continue in the background. Now this will probably take about 5 minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we will be then greeted with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.